Introducing Tulsi, also known as Ocimum sanctum, a remarkable plant celebrated for its numerous health benefits and easy cultivation. Known for its adaptogenic properties, Tulsi helps in alleviating stress, making it a perfect addition to your home garden. Tulsi is widely used to treat respiratory disorders, fevers, and digestive issues, showcasing its versatility and importance in natural medicine. To ensure Tulsi thrives, regular watering is essential, especially during dry periods. Aim to water your Tulsi plant every 2 to 3 days to keep it healthy and vibrant. This resilient herb flourishes in warm, sunny climates and is best planted in the spring season. One of the great advantages of growing Tulsi is that its leaves can be harvested as needed throughout the growing season, providing a fresh supply of this beneficial herb. For optimal growth, Tulsi prefers rich, well-drained soil with a pH level between 6.5 and 7.5. Providing these ideal conditions will ensure your Tulsi plant flourishes, offering you a bounty of health benefit. Add the sacred touch of Tulsi to your garden and experience nature's remedy for a stress-free and healthier life. Well, this is SMF, a botanist dedicated to educating about the medicinal benefits of plants. Please subscribe to Botanics by SMF and press the bell icon to stay updated. Let's join the leafy adventure together.